How to remove your profile picture on Roblox. So here, all you have to do is to go directly to Roblox application and it will look like this. So on the bottom part, you'll see 5 different options there, and in the middle part, you will see your profile, right? Tap on your profile there, and here you will see your avatar. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you will see 3 options on the bottom part. So tap on edit profile picture here. Now it will look like this. So the thing here is you cannot actually remove your profile picture on your Roblox. But what you can do is to actually not let them see your whole character there. And to do that, so let's say this, tap on next on the bottom part. And here you have to zoom it in up until there and then rotate it here so they won't be able to see your character anymore, and tap on next and then tap on save. Now here, if you go back here to your home page, just wait for it to load, and as you can see, you have now successfully removed your profile picture on your Roblox. So basically that is how you remove your profile picture on Roblox, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give it some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.